Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to remove background noises in your CapCut. Now this process is perfectly the same if you're using Samsung, even though I'm using my iPhone right here. So let's get started. So click on the CapCut icon. Now this is a project I've been working on. So for this one to work, click on the video itself. And then look for the features on the lower section. Look for the one they call extract audio. So just a disclaimer, this feature right here is going to be under the free trial on the paid subscriptions. So there's going to be extract audio. As you can see, I still have 5 uses. And with that one, the audio has been extracted. Next up, looking for reduced noise. This one right here. So if I click on that one, as you can see right here, the feature only works best if there is an audio already. On my end, there's minimal audio. Either way, still click on OK. Enable that one, and basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.